Morning glory plants are renowned for their beautiful flowers and fast growth. Germinating morning glory seeds is a simple and rewarding process that can be done by anyone with a little patience and care. In this article, we will guide you through the steps of germinating morning glory seeds and provide some helpful tips to ensure a successful germination process. Step 1. Gather materials. Before you begin, you will need to gather the necessary materials. You will need a container to plant the seeds, potting soil, and morning glory seeds. It is also helpful to have a spray bottle filled with water. Step 2. Prepare the container and soil. When it comes to preparing the container and soil for germinating morning glory seeds, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it is important to choose a container that is the appropriate size for the number of seeds you plan to plant. You can use any type of container, such as a plastic or clay pot, as long as it has drainage holes in the bottom to allow excess water to drain out. Next, you will need to fill the container with potting soil. Potting soil is a specially formulated type of soil that is designed for container gardening. It is lightweight and well-draining, which helps prevent water from becoming trapped in the soil and causing root rot. When filling the container, leave about an inch of space at the top to allow for watering. Once the container is filled with soil, it is time to water the soil. Use a watering can or a hose with a gentle spray nozzle to water the soil until it is moist, but not waterlogged. Watering too much can cause the soil to become too wet, which can lead to mold and fungal growth. On the other hand, not watering enough can cause the soil to dry out, which can prevent the seeds from germinating. By following these steps, you can ensure that your container and soil are properly prepared for germinating morning glory seeds. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy the beauty and fast growth of morning glory plants in your own garden. Step 3. Plant the seeds. Planting the morning glory seeds is a crucial step in the germination process. Before planting, it is important to ensure that the seeds are fresh and viable. You can test the viability of the seeds by placing them in a glass of water. Viable seeds will sink to the bottom, while non-viable seeds will float. Once you have verified that the seeds are viable, it is time to plant them. Morning glory seeds are small and should be planted about 1/4 inch deep in the soil. You can use your finger or a small tool, such as a pencil, to make a small hole in the soil for each seed. Space the seeds about 2 to 3 inches apart to allow room for growth. After placing the seed in the hole, cover it with a light layer of soil and gently press down on the soil to ensure good contact between the seed and the soil. It is important to not plant the seeds too deeply, as this can prevent them from germinating. Morning glory seeds require sunlight to germinate, so make sure that they are not buried too deeply in the soil. Once the seeds are planted, it is important to keep the soil moist by using a spray bottle to mist the soil regularly. This will help to ensure that the seeds have the moisture they need to germinate. Additionally, it is important to keep the container in a warm, sunny location, as morning glories require warm temperatures and bright light to germinate. By following these steps, you can ensure that your morning glory seeds are properly planted and ready to germinate. With a little care and attention, you will soon be rewarded with the beautiful flowers and fast growth of morning glory plants. Step 4. Provide proper care. To ensure the seeds germinate successfully, you will need to provide them with proper care. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged, by using the spray bottle to mist the soil regularly. Place the container in a warm, sunny location, as morning glories thrive in warm temperatures and bright light. Be patient and wait for the seeds to germinate, which should take about 7 to 14 days. Step 5. Transplant seedlings. Once the seedlings have emerged, they will need to be transplanted to a larger container or into the ground. Wait until the seedlings have at least 2 sets of true leaves before transplanting them. Gently loosen the soil around each seedling and carefully lift it out of the container. Plant the seedling in a larger container or in the ground, making sure to cover the root ball with soil. Step 6. Provide ongoing care. Morning glory plants require regular watering and fertilization to thrive. Water the plants deeply once a week, and fertilize them every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Provide support for the plants to climb on, such as a trellis or fence. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and treat them promptly if you notice any problems. In conclusion, germinating morning glory seeds is a simple and rewarding process that can be done by anyone with a little patience and care. By following these simple steps and providing proper care, you can enjoy the beauty and fast growth of morning glory plants in your own garden.